how to fix Voicemod Soundboard not working on Discord. So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure your settings are on the right place. So I'm on a call right now on my other account to pretty much test if my soundboard works. So first of all, go ahead to your voice mod, then go to your settings over here. Make sure your microphone is on, whichever you like actually, since you're gonna use the soundboard anyways, but make sure it's on the microphone you want to play. That way you won't have other problems. And for your output, anywhere you want actually, but it's better to put them on headphones to avoid echo and those stuff. But once you have the voice mode set, go ahead to your device settings. Go to the system over here and press on the sound. Once you're in sound, scroll down to the input. Make sure input is on voice mod over here. And it can be in default device. Make sure it's on default device. So toggle that on. Once that's done, go ahead to your Discord settings and make sure the voice over here, go to voice and video. So scroll down to voice and video in your app settings and make sure the microphone is on default. So our app settings over here has the voice mod microphone has default. So over here, it's gonna be expected that the voice mod will be set on a default input. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the soundboard now. So now we're on our phone over here. We should be able to hear this fart sound as well. I'm not sure if you can hear it in my phone, but you can see the green line around my profile moving. That pretty much means the soundboard is working, but those are a few things you gotta put in mind if you want to make sure your voice mode is working in your Discord. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.